Odofo ma memfa enchia kese emfiri awurade ahenwa no so emfa ma akwaba emra Adom TV jume di ayedie ye Nkuranhyensem re na me ametidwa mu amede ho chia me woni medin dada Apostle Dr. Ni Tekotego ene da isuso no me ya ka wo se onupa bia wo ba anyensen obosome nkron awowo no kwambi aso no obekwan ahoyahia mu. We are all bound to face setbacks, whether in our general lifestyles, whether in the choice of our marriages or in our marriages, whether in our health. Wherever you find yourself, there will be a day you face setbacks. There comes a moment in your life when you begin to look at your life, and the only thing that comes to your mind is, why don't I end it all? And maybe utimisho abrabomu, usika semu, sabi wawade awu mu mpono akasa na ade na menya mu ena me kasa obi hwem ya onyaya nkasa bi fere na owo de kopo owo. When you look around you, you don't find anything in life that gives you a sense of living or joy. So hwe abrabo mu a bibia ni wa kire se enije adwaro nti de nti na ese mekoso a etna abrabo mu. That's what you ask yourself. Why should I hold on? The marriage you are in, why should you hold on to it? Ade efe na adesua we ebia dikan sua awie school mfie du won nya adwuma nye ade na kire se me so meye bie. Why should I keep educating myself? You then ask yourself, what is in it for me that I must go for? Then the woman ese me kope. Then you ask, what is happening to me and my family? I don't know what I have done. Me hu nya me nkwa mayo. Se ebia me ya kan ni nti ana me yankran ni nti. Se ebia school me koya na mankonti. Se me ne betenti ana tietia se wine de ntia me ntia se. It's been one question to the other. And you have prayed onyankopon tie me sofre so I say nyankopon kona so asi e wo so bibia ni wa eye ma wa ema neje abrabo no ayetawe den awade na ebon ko apomoden no aparo na ensohwe ene the hiada de wotimi tade a wote dwada kosi adam asede asabe wonko ade ukodan mu a wani ntimi nkata na asede na echi a untimi ni. There's a moment where you cannot even close your eyes in sleep, nor even enjoy the food you eat. This is when you may be lying on your hospital bed. If you are making uda aresabia and now we fiase and then po de otifie mfefo ekoba ode okwenye yie and now when you wura bi and now ewura bi na awade se hunu pa na wamu na wanim hwampo na ebe aware kankan aware front na ebe sabi aware adane yade e bia na pomponso awadu no what the we aye empo wonsuo ene aduboni ahodo ene sebe ensa unya anka wajai ensa nom ene aduboni ayoyare na wontimi mfirimu. Is a period that you look at yourself and say, look, it's not worth it. Can I end it? Baby I'm medru ndie ehun fata wahwe obotom sika ni ho wahwe ojade aduane ni ho wafre obi osimi so mini bio na afi ye hini yakui na ahoka krachi bi a friend of Marvin Gaye American ni mtufo be say what's going on. What's going on? Ede na ekoso. Se ndum pempen so ya na wadwan a se wonko na wo bre. Miniman kama mbabi. Babo miniman kama beka ho. Enso nya abadada. Na afi abane se onyankopon kra du hwambo na abrabo amwa. Hwe mamen kanchiro. I don't know what you are facing today. Maybe your dreams are unfulfilled. Ebia oni so de hunu eni da so so abrabo ho no ememu. Maybe the burdens you carry seem to be adding on every day. What this why they are not pebia and they become. Or yaudie and edware. Where is the hope? And that's all he. And as we are saying, a moon come at also. A banner semria, futu bakupana me mawo. Never succumb to negative thinking. You see, there may be a plethora of ways to which you can think about what you are going through. Say a banner say oh the here demo and now who here mo ya na wadwen enkosi adwen paso nema eka nyina ya baguru nema eka nyina ya nema se be ka wo hye nema wadwen e kire wo nyina ya werehwo abobo die ni apenedie enyi san sem ntum. Don't succumb to san sem no awoka no. In many cases it will be fair to say, look, I'm going to face my setback head on ni atome no ni ame wo mu no megyina no me mma kwan e ma ne mbunka mo so ya na adwene beba wo so se me de won nsem fata wo de won kwan na eda ya wo wo de aware de enye se be minya kwa mewu dabi ma kwan sa adwenfi no enya atenkafi e wo mu enkenya mreyo e wo adwene pro so se wo ma adwenfi adwene ye ndede adwene ya beguro adwene a se be enkenya wo ekenya watenka be mre na empo wadwene atosi adwene to si a wontimi ntrase empa adwene abetimi eda adwuma aye ase wona moyi wo nya macho wo so kotam dade se asem to wa ensem obeka wadwene proso no ebetimi aye dade ebepagya wadwene ana ebetimi aye nsu ebebo na empo wafo abrabom ensem bo abeka no na ne nsufi edware wa abrabo na ensem bo abeka se wo pagya dade na pagya wadwene semu yi de bema wo pagya dade o wadwene proso se eba na sana you should make a promise to yourself not to succumb to negative thinking and then they catch it and say me o mu se bia me wono nye na me fam na nye nanso me ma kwan e ma kasafi kasa nye de entra ma dwen proso. I will never allow negative thinking to take reins in my mind. Remain passive. Omodiana kan somewhere de ya na ye mum se ankoyie se mensere me de me wo trick bi da enije ni mabrabo na me pese de asere na me de akantan de anya ne so da enkoyie no ana me pensem da etie na me de akantan de anya ne so da madwenya me sa tete apansam no sada no po na metimi apese de bi asabe mfaso ni so na ekenya me sese twa konkon a kire me se sidie eye edromapa e de makoma a merry heart is like medicine semenya sidie ne nsempa kan ekenya amadwene ma megina pi esita epedi ameyo. It is natural and normal for many of us to go into the realm of negative thinking whenever we face an adversity. But let me assure you, there is no one in life who will never go to the university of adversity. Whether you were born today, whether you are about to die, you would go through it. And ma also ankasa we de hoson so de tie bia no abrabum usikasemu adisuamu wadi mu he ebeto chima keke sebe ensem bebem na ensem ba enya hu na abegina ho abosobo etwadwa asu atete anwinwi na dabi nya abotre na ka kire won se baby amedu no enye de nanso minim se de ametumi ayo ai de safata na mafirimu me pa kade apenyansa akansem pego madwen proso apɛ futupa apɛ Nkuranhyensem na sɛ de atibia no mɛsɔre afiri hɔ ɛnya me nko na ato me ebi afamu apie deda Adom nsua mfiri bi hɔ na misumi mfa nkɔm anim ya ato wɔ no enya ma abrabɔ mba wiye oti ase ne aba ɔso no ɛno nkyɛ sɛ abrabɔ ba wiye sɛ de atibia no ɛbɛyɛ yie sɛ mre mɛkra na mɛgya hɔ na mada Adom TV adwumakuofo nyina ase me kan maka ne sɛ Festus na gift ya wokura camera na mako control room na mada Thomas Priscilla na Webe Campedo ase na Osmosis sound na on crowd nyina MC afon light ne for manager me